Okay, Josh, more questions about shared living at Westerly House.
Okay.
What would you want someone to know before they apply?
I would want someone to know that shared living at Westerly House is for everybody. From individual leases, furnished apartments, it's designed for flexibility, convenience, and community.
If someone wants to live with a friend, how would that work?
Then we would have them apply and let us know that they wanted a friend. They can request that at the time of their application.
And if someone applies on their own?
Then we would have them fill out our lifestyle survey and we'd match them with someone based off of that. That's everything from your schedule, when you go to sleep, everything like that.
How do the leases work?
Leases work on their own individual basis. You sign your own lease and then you don't have to worry about anything else in the apartment at that agreed upon rate.
What if someone moves out of one of the units and empties a bedroom?
Then no matter what, you still stay at the same rate. It doesn't matter if every other bedroom in the apartment is empty.
What parking options are available?
So we have an enclosed garage on site and we have parking available in that garage for a set fee at the time of application.
How often are shared spaces cleaned?
Shared spaces are cleaned monthly. We also provide your own supplies, anything you need from toilet paper, paper towels, laundry detergent, everything once a month.
Oh, great. How does temperature control work?
Temperature control, every single unit has its own individual thermostat. You can set it to your own preferred temperature and you don't have to worry about anything that your roommates are doing.
What about referrals?
We love referrals. If you move in and you know someone that would also love shared living at Westerly House, you can get a referral fee for them moving in.
That's awesome. Thanks, Josh.